I think we are in variables, right? We'll try
Yes,
to see
yes.
on real-time scenario how to do that one lesson. So I'm going to Visual Studio. Let's go. File, just open folder, one step back. There are some input variables. Yes, see any missing options are there or not? So, we have seen up to maps, right?
Yeah,
Variable
yes.
maps. Today I'll say variables validation rules. Input variables validation rules. Just I'm selecting this one, open it, Control A. I think folder is open automatically. Not open. Attention, I want to open folder. Which one I got selected? To select Ashika. This one okay. I want to select Terraform variables. This one 5. Within that, Terraform within that validation rules. Control A, open. Now observe, going to here, what is the problem? Open folder. And the folder got selected, right? Now got it. Now you know variables. See which type of variables are there here? One is the region, already you know. Then we go for EC to AMID. Now we'll go and get it AMI. Is it valid or not? We don't know till now. We'll go and get it this one. We'll go and get it this one. Just delete this. Just I'm opening our AWS instance. AWS. Just to go for the number, right? We require one AMI. By region, launch instance. Maybe the Linux or Ubuntu, our wish, where say, their Amazon, this one and copy. Copy. Go to Visual Studio, VS Code, Control B. I think till now clear. Here,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
they written validation. You know the meaning of validation? Validation means checking. Checking. What we are checking? We are specifying one condition. What is our condition? Length, length of variable dot EC to
Variable.
AMI ID. EC to AMI ID. This is the AMI ID. This is the EC to AMI ID. This is name, right? EC to AMI ID. Must be greater than 4 characters. Really greater than 4 characters, right? Greater than 4.
Yes.
Even that too, what they are checking is substring. String means maybe welcome. Substring means part of the string is known as substring. What is the substring they are checking? Variable dot EC to AMI underscore ID 0 to 4 characters. 0, 1, 2, 3.
Three,
Don't
four,
think up to 4
three.
means
Yeah,
4.
sorry. Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
0,
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Total how many characters? Don't count
Five.
fourth one.
Five character.
Only 4 characters. Only 4 characters. See? Here,
I
how
think
many
0 to
characters
4
are there?
means 3.
See, start with 0, start with 0,
Okay.
end minus 1. What is end minus 1? End is what? 4. 4
4.
minus 1
Yeah.
means
Okay. 4
3.
characters. Yes.
0,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Count it. 0,
3.
1, 2, 3
Yeah.
means 4
4
characters actually.
characters.
AMI.
Yes.
What does it mean? In substring, starting with AMI is there or not? In our actual AMI, in actual value, default value, what is the starting 4 characters?
AM.
AMI hyphen. If it
Hyphen.
is right, if it is right, if it is right, then only you will process. Otherwise, won't process. We'll do both ways.
Okay.
First, we'll do proper way, then we'll go for error base. First, we'll go actual. Next, second one, easy to instance count. How many number of instances you want to create? Here, our intent is how many instances? One. Maybe till yesterday we use a type only. Which type we use? Only string here. Only string here.
Yes.
Today we are using number type. Today
Number.
we are using
Yes.
number type. That's why we are using numerical. Suppose if I
Okay.
specify like this, what does it mean? I think you know. What does it mean? This is a string type. This is a string type.
Yes.
Here, count will take only numeric value. That's why we are passing number. We are passing number. Till now clear? Right.
Yeah.
Variable easy to instance type. Instance type is string only, right? T2 micro, T2 nano, T2 medium, like that. T3 micro. Because of which type of data type? String type of data type. Here variable 1, variable 2, variable 3. Only 3 variables or 4 variables we took here. These variables already right? Just only type is number is there here. One more validation. What is the validation? We are checking condition. Now we are moving to, this is not required. You go for security groups. Already this one also, ingress egress, already we know, right? Ingress and egress, we have seen or not? From 4
Yeah.
to
Yeah. Check.
4 protocol CADR block. This
Yes.
is which type of? IPv4 range.
Yes. Yeah.
IPv4. Here also same
V4.
thing.
Yeah.
-1 represents what? -1 represents what? Any type of protocol. If you don't, if you use -1 means this is any type. This is any type. I hope you got the clarity. Here, create security groups. Security group name VPs underscore hyphen web. Why they are taking 80 means if any NGNX or HTTP, NGNX, HTTP. If you want to, what about use on the browser? At that time you go for port 80. Port 80 which purpose? Only for HTTP purpose. This one also Now see here, easy to instances. This one you need to know little bit. Here resource AWS instance. What is the name of the instance? My EC2 VM. VM means virtual machine. VM stands for
Yeah.
virtual machine.
Virtual
AMI,
machine.
Here see variable dot EC2 AMID. Already in variables, EC2 AMID is there or not? Yes.
AMID4. Yes. It is there.
Instance type is there or not? Yes, it is there.
Yes.
Key name
There.
till now, Terraform key is there or not? I think not there. We'll go and
No.
get it.
Yeah. Yes.
Terraform
Yeah.
key. Terraform key. In our scenario, Terraform key is there or not? We'll try it here. I am going to right click. I am going to right click here. Terraform key. Just which Terraform. We'll check it. Terraform key. I think I created or not. Windows key. Windows key. There, check it. Terraform key is there or not? Terraform key. Or we'll check here. There, Terraform. Terraform. Terraform key. What happened now? Within the downloads, we need Terraform key is there, right? See, Terraform key is there. First right click this one. First right click or otherwise double click. I said how to add it. Now just move here. Control A, Control A, Control C, Control C, Now tell me what shall I do? Go to here. There take new one. There take new one. New file creation. New file. What is the file name? Terraform.
Terraform key.
Terraform. Terraform form hyphen key dot pm pem
Dot tf.
dot pem.
Okay.
Here I want to paste it. After that I need to close that one. Where is the close button? I think close button is there. I
Save,
think
save, control, save. Yeah. No
okay,
close button
save
is
all. That is good, right? Save all.
okay. Yeah.
Automatically saved. Automatically saved.
Yeah.
Now
Save.
I think that is the right proper way we played.
Yeah.
Now see key name we know, right? Count. There are how many instances we are creating? There we specified only one, I think, right? Only one. Here you
This
check it
one
in
only.
variables.
Yeah.
In variables, we added only one. Default value is one.
Yes.
Now this is the little bit you need to understand. This is very important interview purpose also. User data. User data. At the time of creation of an instance, that may ask user data. User data means user data can accept shell script code. Shell script code. At the time of creating an instance, if you want to install additional softwares, at the time you need to mention this is the shell code, right? Have you understood or not? User data is equal to less than, this is the default
Yes.
one. Less than hyphen
Okay.
EOF means end of file. End of file means this minus represents beginning. You need to remember like this. EOF
Okay.
means end
Okay.
of file. Beginning with
And half
EOF, end with EOF, end
okay.
with EOF. This is the starting represents hyphen. Starting represents with hyphen, ending represents with EOF. You got it or not? Less than hyphen, less than hyphen EOF. Remaining this is the shebang line. This is the shebang line. Sudo update because of that is the Linux instance we are creating, right? Everything is perfect. Everything. Here, welcome to DevOps and welcome to DevOps. Welcome to Terraform. We'll take Terraform. Now control S. Now we'll try to execute, right? We'll try to execute. How to execute? Go to here. Where is the terminal? New terminal. Now guide me. What is the first command? Terraform. Terraform.
Terraform init.
Terraform init. Init. Here something goes wrong in the sense. What does it mean? Object not found. Command not found. What was the problem? What was the problem? Terraform. Spelling mistake, observe. Form. Terraform init. Again something goes wrong. What it is saying? Oh, version problem. Here this one not required. See, here you need to remove this file. You need to remove this file. Which one you need to remove? Provider. Oh, in our program, provider is not there. What I may do, first I may remove everything. It. See, AWS, what is that? Provider, which one? AWS, right? There, region. Region already we mentioned that in our variables, right? Maybe anyway, it can override or we can mention region. Region, then is equal to double quotation. Access key. Access key.
Access key and secret.
Access key is equal to double quotation. In the same, secret key. Secret key is equal to SECRE. Secret key is equal to double quotation. Where do we go and get it? Windows key E.
E
Windows key
secret.
E. There, Windows key E. There, one Excel file is there. It started with the root Excel. Where is the Excel? This one. There we are having our access key. This one. Copy it. Is the access key. The same way I may go for secret. Secret. Control C. Secret key. Where is here, right? Now I think we are correct. Now control S once again. Not control S.
Region.
Okay.
Region
Closing
not given.
closing curly brace. Region didn't
Region.
mention.
Region.
Yeah,
Yeah.
US East one.
Not
You
not mentioned.
not AP South. AP, I think AP South one.
Okay.
Our AMI ID we took from AP South one, I think.
AP
AP
South one.
South
Yes.
one. Here file save all, and also in variables any region related variable is there. There, see, this is also default one. Okay, we no need to take this one. I may remove this one because of already we fixed it, right? That's one I remove. Got it or not? Just I go for once again file,
Yeah.
save all. Hmm. Now I am going to terminal, enter up arrow in it. Now everything is fine for us. One class will take for only providers explanation. That much of strength is there in providers. So many options
Yes.
are available. We'll see in future. Once I think plugin is downloading. I think it is downloaded, right? Properly downloaded. I think no error, right? See, Terraform has been
Yeah.
successfully initialized. Now directly we
Successful
go
change. Yeah.
Terraform, Terraform, apply.
Well,
APPL.
apply. Okay.
Directly apply. Now see, three to add. What are three to add? Three resources got created. What are the three resources? See, we'll check it one by one. We'll check it one by one. What it has been created. See, one security group is created, right? It will be created. One security group. In the same way, see, my EC to VM, this is one resource. AWS instance, one resource got created. What next? Second one. The second one is, see, VPC SSH with the 22 port number. 22 port number. One security group is created. In the same way, with 81 port number. With 80, one more port number is created. With 80 got created and three resources got created. Three resources got created. Now we'll go and check it. Windows key. No, AWS, right? In AWS, just we refresh EC2. EC2. What is the speciality of this? Automatically, maybe NGNX got installed. NGNX got installed. We'll check it. Is it installed or not? See, one instance got created here. I think is it started or not? Check it. Not running anything.
Not start that. Yes.
Why we are in Mumbai only, right?
Mumbai. Yes. Mumbai.
Where it got created. I think resource is created or not. Yes, it is created, right? Refresh it. We apply Terraform apply only. Terraform apply only. Once again, we'll go and check it. Go to launch instances. That number is matching or not. There what is specified. I think AMI 09 E83 only. That is correct. That is correct only. Go to here. There EC2 instance. Our code is correct or not. Check it. Where is our AMI? That is in variables, right? I think 09 everything is fine for us. Where in versions, variables. Versions AP South spelling only correct only, right? AP South one. Access key, secret key. That is also correct. That is also correct. Shall we rerun? Everything now till now not created. That is showing only. Now it will create. See,
Yeah. Now
that
it
is
is created.
giving indication and providing. It is asking acceptance. Now I accepted. Now
Yes.
original resources. Now it is creating. Now three resources are added. Now we'll go there. We'll check it math. Go to EC2, right? EC2. We'll try to connect this. No, I think no need to enter internally. We'll check it that is running or not. If not running, we'll go and
Okay.
activate. Paste it, just enter it. We may get NGNX. Yeah, see, welcome to Terraform. Welcome to Terraform. Everything from the scratch level to this is the end-to-end automation, like end-to-end automation.
Automation.
Same thing in
Okay.
future. This one we can implement through Jenkins also. We can do such type of activities. Maybe we'll see in future. We'll see in future. Jenkins with Terraform also. Jenkins with Terraform. That is also possible. I hope you got the clarity right. Here.
Yeah.
See, look like code is lengthy. Code is lengthy in the sense go to EC to instance. This is look like more coding. Look like more coding. To reduce this situation, we may go for next concept. Next concept, that is the file concept. File concept means we may create one shell script. This is the shell script code only, right? Separately, we can separate it. That we can extract, we can access through file concept. We can access through file concept. Now we'll go for next application. The next application lessons again go to file menu. There open folder. This is open folder, right? Open folder. There I am going to see. This is the file function. Just we'll go for file first. Select code. See Apache install SSH. Check it here. What it is there? We separated, right? This code is separated separately. Which code? Only which one? This is the installation of HTTPD. Installation of HTTPD. This is the shell script. This shell script where we are calling within the EC2 instance. Now check it here. Now check it here. Where we are calling. This is the additional thing. Remaining things are very common. User data is equal to through which function this is? File function. File function will go and fetch. Fetch means it will check for such file is there. There are not apache hyphen install.sh. Here apache hyphen install.sh is there. But here small thing we need to modify. This is versions, right? Here our code is not there. Our code is not there. Our code in the sense region those things. Region those things. Here where it is available, again you go and modify in previous program. Where is our previous program? This is I think previous one or latest one. These are all latest
Latest
only,
one,
right?
I think.
Latest
Yeah.
only.
Yeah.
Now actually where is our code is there? Where is our code is there? I added, right? I added. I modified. Or else again we need to add. Or else quickly we will add it or otherwise we'll go and get it. I think where it is saved, have you identified? I think I didn't see the path. Or manually we'll go and check it. Windows key E. Manually I am trying to go and get it. See, Terraform key is there. I think this is the versions, right? Old version. I'll try it for
Yes.
versions. No. Mhm. This is not the right one. This is not the right one. Where I'm going to downloads, within the downloads only, maybe there, within the downloads or within the HashiCorp, within that, think this one only we took, right? Which one? Variables. Within that input variable, no, input validation only we applied, right? Validation only we take validation. There in versions only you modify. Check it. The data is modified or not, we don't know. We'll check it first. This is not modified properly. Okay, we'll go and write it, or otherwise, now you'll go and add properly in Notepad. Whenever required, we can paste it. Now we are going to fit. Here we are writing, remove it. This one only versions. Control A, delete it. Now provider, AWS. What are the things here? Region, right? Region, double quotations, AP, South, SOUTH1, Super access key, double quotation, next secret, double quotation. In Excel file, first taking secret, putting right. In the same way, you go for access key. This one we need to paste somewhere. Whenever required, we can get it easy way. There I am saving Alt FA. I am saving on the desktop. This is the provider. PROVIDER. Just we are looking like provider.txt. Provider.txt. In future, if we are having a difficulty, then we'll go and get it from. Actually, here we need to save, right? This one is saved, I think, properly. No, not saved properly, right? This is the old data only. Here, anything? No. Control A, delete. Here, Control A, delete. Now, where we will get it? Go to desktop. This one. Desktop. Provider. This is the provider. Control A, Control C. Go to VS Code. Where we are pasting here. Now this is okay. One more thing you need to add. What is the one more thing? I think you know. Security group, okay. Which one? Instances. Terraform key is there, right? Key is also we need to
Yes.
add. Now add it. New file. Terraform. Terraform
Key.
key dot pem. Terraform TRRA4. Now you know what shall I do? Windows key. Windows key. Go to downloads. Somewhere Terraform key is there. Just drag it. Control A, Control C. Go to here, right click and paste it. Or Control V. Got it. Now file, save all. Now we'll try to terminal. terminal, new terminal. Now guide me here. Terraform, Terraform. We got like this here. Now enter CLS Terraform. What is that unit? We'll try to change the code little bit variance. Why? You need to check, right? Just we go for this is which one versions, not that one. This Apache. This code you need to welcome to maybe leave it. Stack simplify, you may get it. Stack simplify. Stack simplify. Okay. Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Previous scenario. Now whatever current scenario, both are same, but we have we segregated, we separated. Which one we separated? This file got separated. This file is calling through file function. File function. I think anything goes wrong. VPC web. VPC. What it is saying in resources. This is already there. I think right. This is already there. First remember this one. VPC web. This is already existing. We'll try to remove it.
Yeah.
We'll try to where we can go. Windows. Go to
Is
AWS. Go to
installed. Yeah.
AWS. There in right side, security groups are there. Observe security groups. Yes. Where somewhere VPC web is there. First delete this one. In real time, generally, once one resource got created, we must remove, right? Here we didn't remove. We are going to new resource. That is
Yeah.
the problem here. That is the problem here. First delete, right? Delete security group. What it is saying, that instance is running, I think. Have you observed or not? That instance is running. First, what shall we do? First, remove EC, EC, EC. This instance you need to stop or try to destroy. Where destroy? Terminate. Once it is terminated, that security group we can automatically remove. Now we'll try to remove. Security groups, etc. This one we'll try to terminate. Delete security group. Will not be deleted. Some can't be deleted. What it is saying? The following security can't be deleted. They are either default security group or referenced by other security groups, or they are associated with instances or network interfaces. Network interfaces cancel. Once again, you go for because of that is not fully deleted. Refresh it first. Just you go for VPC web. VPC web. Now see, it is able to delete. Refresh it. Is it deleted or not? Yes, it is deleted, right? Even VPC
Yes.
SHS also. This one also we need to delete. Delete secure. Refresh it. Yes. Now you try to. Okay. What shall I do? Up arrow. Up arrow. Terraform apply. Now asking confirmation. Yes. Again, you got an error. What was the problem? Check it. What was the problem? my EC2 VM resource AWS instance or VPC ID problem. I hope you know it, right? See, here in instance, VPC ID is not the right one. Where it is there? In variables, right? This is not the right VPC ID. In US East one is good. Okay. Everything is fine. US, not US East one. AP South, right? AP,
It's AP
AP,
South. Yeah.
AP South one.
AP South one.
Okay. After that, we need to provide this one. This is not the right one. This is not the right one. EC to AMI ID. Is it right one? No. We'll go and get it from. We'll go and get it from AWS. How can I get it? EC to. After that, now you go for launch. There you will check Mumbai. Now we will go with Ubuntu. Shall I go with Ubuntu? Maybe new one.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm taking Ubuntu. Copy it. Paste it. Now save all. File. Save all. In Ubuntu, if we take one small problem is there. Why? In Ubuntu, that may not install. We use it there. M only, right? M only. This is not suitable. Try to
Yes.
understand. That is also one type of problems.
Okay. Yeah.
We'll go with only Linux based. Linux
Linux.
based. Control C. Control. Now file save. Now again Terraform init. After that Terraform up. Giving confirmation. It is created, right? Resource got created. Apply complete.
Great.
Resource is created. Going to here, EC2, there type EC2, type EC2. Check it. And I will go and check it. They are going to no need to connect, right? Take IP, just paste it on the browser. Paste it on the browser. Got it. Stack simplify. In previous scenario, welcome to Terraform we written. In
Yeah.
latest scenario, welcome to stack simplify. Welcome to stack
Stack
simplify.
simple. Yeah.
Yes. Till now, what we understood. I'm going to notepad. Till now, what we understood in the sense in EC2, generally EC2 we may use what? AMI one concept. Next one is what? Security group ID, right? Maybe AWS
Yes.
security,
Security.
security group group hyphen IDs is equal to it within square bracket like this we can write. Got it done. Like this, multiple security group IDs. Then instance underscore type is equal to we make you I think instance underscore or instance hyphen type. Instance, maybe instance type, maybe either hyphen or I think maybe hyphen only, right? Instance type. I think not hyphen, only underscore, I think, right? Because of access key secret key also underscore, right? Underscore. This is also underscore, I think. Underscore. Now in the same way, even what is that key name? Key name, right? Key underscore name or key hyphen name is equal to, there we mention key. One more thing, what? One more thing, what? User data. User data. User data is equal to something. Their user data is equal to, here we understood We understood with user data is equal to what we took here. User data is equal to file, the file name abc.sh. Have you understood or not? This is the extra thing we understood. This file function will go and extract this file data and giving to user data, giving to user data. Now once again we'll check it. We'll move to other concept. See, check it here. Maybe instance. There observe, I said right, each and everyone underscore only, there is no hyphens. Even blindly you can remember here. Everyone, AMI, instance type, key name, user data, and also count. Count represents what? How many number of instances you want to create. How many number of instances you want to create. Now we'll see one more concept. What is the one more concept? See, I try to extract, remaining things are very common. Okay, go to file, go to open folder, go to file, open folder. Now I'm taking, see, somewhere sensitive one concept is there. See, sensitive input variables. What is the concept?
Yeah.
Sensitive input
Sensitive
variable.
input value.
Select code. Concept is very simple. See, whenever if you use sensitive the word, whenever if you use the sensitive word, that won't visible outside. That won't visible outside. You'll see that one. The word sensitive when we can go for, that is the confidential data. That is the confidential data. Here you need to paste it. Versions, right? Versions. You need to remove this one first of all. Remove it. Which one you need to paste it? Within the notepad something is there. This one, not this one. No. Somewhere I written right. Don't say. Don't say. I think Windows key E on my desktop. On my desktop. What is the name? Provider, right? Provider.
Yes.
Provider. This is the provider. This data control A, control C. Just minimize it. Here paste it. This is the step one is clear. You know it. AP is open, access the secret. Then you can go for variables. See, this is not a sensitive. Here, see, somewhere I written the word sensitive is equal to true. Why they written
True.
sensitive is equal to DB username. You want to apply database username, not only database username. Generally, database is having username password, right? Tomcat having username and password. Even Jenkins having username and password. Suppose our intention is I want to pass some confidential information. At that time, you need to use generally variable. Variable variable block can take only four arguments. One is the description already you know. Another one is the type already you know. What is the next one? General, you take default, right? Default you know. Got it or not? This is also one type of argument. Now, this default argument we are not mentioning. Where we can mention maybe in variables they may mention. We'll check it where they may mention. We can easily understand. See, what is the name of the variable? Remember here. What is the name of the variable? DB username.
DB
DB user.
username.
This
Yes.
variable name, yesterday we have seen one concept. What is the concept yesterday we discussed? Dot TFS. I explained. This is the
Yeah.
normal variable declaration. This is the
This is the
overriding.
priority. Yeah.
Priority wise, which is
Priority. Yeah.
having now, now this is the first priority. This is the second priority. If there is no this one, there is not available, it will go for this. If already available, it will take it first. It will override next.
Okay.
Finally, what you may get it in these values, right? See,
Yes.
secrets
Yeah.
dot TFS. What it is there? DB username admin, DB password, maybe insecure password. Just with they written like this two variables db username, db password. Here two variables are there or not? Check it. Is there any username? Yes, it is there. db username sensitive, db password sensitive. You got it or not? db
Yes.
variable,
Yeah.
db username is sensitive. db username is sensitive. Now try to understand. I think remaining all are same. Remaining all are perfect. Is it versions? Now variables. Now RDS. Now here you check it. Their username we use variable.db username, password variable.password. See, we are creating resource AWS DB instance. This is the predefined one. Resource type is AWS DB instance. If you want to create instance, AMI is required, instance type is required. In the same way, allocated storage. How much GB required? 5 GB required. You may take 2 GB. I think 2 GB is sufficient. Allocated storage 2 GB. Engine. Engine means, MySQL engine. Engine means which database you want to create. MySQL database.
SQL
What is the
database.
argument name? Here is the engine. Instance type is T2 T2 micro. T2 micro. Why they took here DB dot T2 micro. DB dot T2 micro. Why they given DB dot? I think did we use any variable name DB here? Now observe. I think where we can use, right? Instance class. Instance class. This is the predefined one. Instance class. In the same way, name is what? Database name. Database name is MyDB1. MyDB1. Username, password. Yes, see, skip final snapshot. What does it mean? You don't you no need to create snapshot. Snapshot means backup, right? Don't create backup. Don't create backup. Anyway, we'll try to create this one. How to create this one? You know it. Go to terminal. Go to, I think I need to save everything. Save all. Save all. Now quickly guide me. Go to, I think terminal already there. I think no. Terminal. Terminal. No terminal. Enter. Terraform. Terraform app. What is that? Init. Terraform init. Why each and every time initialization? Each and every time we are taking new application. New application here.
Yes.
New folder we are opening. Just like you may think new project. New project.
Yeah.
Is okay. Now Terraform up. Terraform app. See what it is expecting. Variable DB password. Then what it is what is expecting? Enter a value. Enter a value. Suppose, see, I don't want to give like this. Control C or enter. See, Control C, observe. What I may do, this they given secrets.tfr, right? This is not the terraform.tfrs. How can I mention this? This one you need to remember. Terraform apply hyphen var hyphen file. Yesterday I have seen or not? Hyphen var file is equal to, what is the name? secrets dot tfvars. If not supporting, you need to mention in double quotation. If it is taking, no problem. secrets. Not supporting, right? TFVRS.
Yes.
You need to give double quotation. You need to mention in double quotations. Now check it. It is valid. It is valid. Anything goes wrong? Name.
I think
Which name?
secret only, not secrets.
SCCRETS. Secrets.
Yes, you given
I,
yes
I
also
given
given. No? Only secret.
SCCR CC
ET.
SECRETS.
Yes, I think
SECRETS.
not acceptable. I think yes.
No, left side observe. Left side observe.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah.
My mouse is moving.
Yeah. I got it. Yeah. Slowly.
Secrets.tfvars.
Okay.
Secrets.tfvars.
Yeah.
My spelling is correct, right? Here,
Yes.
an
Yeah.
argument name is not expected here. We'll go and check it. Very simple way. How should I go for? There I go for which one? AWS, which resource I am creating? AWS DB instance. Very simple. That is very easy in Terraform. AWS DB instance, right? AWS DB instance. Terraform Terraform AWS underscore DB underscore instance. That's all. Terraform module RDS AWS DB instance. Need to go this one AWS DB underscore instance. Just enter it. Hashikal. RDS. You need to go for module, or else we can go here also, we'll get it. That is the example. AWS DB instance, right? Even modules. See here. See, name is there, not there, right? DB underscore name. See, there they written only name. Have you got it or not? But technical word is what? DB underscore name. DB underscore name. Have you identified? Just we go for here. DB underscore name. DB underscore name. Maybe that is the typo error. See, DB underscore name is the right one, right?
Yeah.
Now file. Now save all. Now what shall we do? Enter it. Now it is creating only confirmation. It is asking. It is not asking sensitive information, right? It is now once again problem. The resource AWS DB instance DB1. DB instance DB1. That is the name. Okay, that is good only. In resource with AWS DB instance DB1. What is the error here? What is saying here? Status code 400. Did I use init or not? I think I used init, right? Terraform init.
First, after changing this DB underscore name, we didn't apply it.
We'll try to change the name of the DB.
After check. Yeah, yes. No, change it. We have changed this one. DB underscore name. After that, we are not applied init.
That actually init is not again and again not necessary.
Okay,
if I have init is only one time activity. Terraform apply.
No, main file we are going to change the
hyphen where hyphen file is equal to double quotation secrets dot tfvrs is the right way. Now giving confirmation. Something goes wrong. What it is goes wrong? DB1 resource AWS DB instance DB1. Okay, we'll go and get it in different way. What I am doing is, what I need to do is somewhere we have seen, right? Here, where in this I think. See, I may go and take this as it is, okay? As it is. There will change our variables. Copy it. Just go to here. Control V. Now we are right. Wherever username is there, tell me here variable dot DB username. Now password is equal to in the same way variable dot DB password. Variable dot DB password. Good. Now this is default dot mysql5.7. See, parameter group name skip final snapshot 2. Remaining things are very common, right? See db.t3 micro. This is the engine version 5.7. Engine is this is DB name is MySQL. Allocated storage 10 GB, leave it, not a problem. will delete automatically. Now we'll try for here. I change right everything. No need to use init. No need to use init. Only you need to save
Here,
this.
double
Save.
quotations is not required here.
Where?
Here we changed that this one where DB username, where DB
This
password for
this is
this.
variables, right? For variable, if it is stack,
Yeah,
this the dynamic content.
okay,
Dynamic means
okay,
don't use double quotation. Please remember that one.
okay,
Now
okay.
enter it. It may create now. No, yes. And the resource is creating, right? Resource is create.
It
Huh.
is created.
Here, one blind notation you need to remember. Suppose this resource is created. Once it is created, don't go for new concept. First, you need to remove this one. Again, you go for new concept.
Okay.
Otherwise, what may happen?
Yeah.
See, internally create multiple
Instances.
things. We don't know, right?
Yeah.
What it
Yes.
create. If manually delete it, some concepts you may not delete. That is the problem. That's
Yeah.
why once one resource got created, you need to apply again Terraform destroy, then you can go for new concept. Even from tomorrow onwards,
Okay.
I may go for that one only. Today, see, one
Okay.
instance is running. You check it here. This is creating. Already one
Yes.
instance is running. You check it. If you forget this one, maybe we are wasting the resource, right?
Yeah.
Here manually I'm deleting. Manually I'm deleting. So go back. This is not the good procedure. Manual deletion is not the good. Why? There one secure two security groups internally there, right? Here no need to pay. That's why I am not deleting that one. Here I am terminating. This is not the good procedure. Manual deletion is not the good procedure. Only dynamic deletion. When dynamic deletion happens, through Terraform only we can delete it. Here a database, it may take for 3 to 5 minutes for creation only. If you want to see, you can go to RDS. There you can see it. There you go for RDS, right? RDS. There are databases. See one database now creating. Observe here. See showing creating.
Yes. Yeah.
Here no need to delete it. Maybe at the middle. Once it is created, we may apply Terraform destroy automatically. That will be removed.
Okay.
Even I may send this documentation for you, for everybody. That is very easy, right? With help of documentation. You want to type everything, time wasting process. Here I am explaining line by line without leaving any word. If really facing difficulty, again ask me. I will try to explain with different examples, or may I will try to explain that line in multiple ways. I am not
Okay.
leaving even single word also my explanation, right?
Yeah.
Maybe somewhere something we may face problem. To avoid such problem, we need to know each word, the purpose of each word.
Yeah.
I'm refreshing here. That is the refresh. Only this refresh. Still create. Generally, database will take minimum 5 to 10 minutes. You know how to connect this one. If you want to connect this, you need to go now available, right? Now available. Now I go for, I'll go on destroy. Now here it is not finished. Still, it is under construction. Here we can't connect directly through SQL workbench. Why? That may be create private instance. Now what I may do? Terraform in place of apply. Destroy. DESTR. That's a See, if I apply secret here somewhere sensitive, see sensitive values. Why this is showing sensitive values? Username you can't see. Username because of we mentioned within the variables. This is the importance. See, we mentioned sensitive, right? Where we mentioned sensitive. Sensitive. Here,
Yes.
see, sensitive is equal to this DB
True.
username
Yeah.
we can't see. DB username you can't see. In the same way, DB password also you can't see. Wherever DB username password is there, those information you can't see. That is important. Yes. Need to apply acceptance. It may take. Tomorrow we may go with variables. Which one? Output variables. Output variables and local variables. Stopping recording. Okay.